Hi, my name is Pete,
And I'm Linda.
and our family runs Julienne's Frozen Custard in Crystal Lake.
My dad and Pete's grandfather started Julienne's in 1985. We were open down the street for many years, and we reopened 7 years ago.
We specialize in frozen custard where every day we make a fresh flavor using locally sourced ingredients and dairy mix from Illinois farmers. I think what separates Julienne's is the families and our customers really expect higher ingredients that are sustainably procured, that we don't use a lot of food dyes, we don't use a lot of artificial syrups. We only feed our customers what we would feed our families.
The last collaboration we had was with Tom's Market, and we made 5 different strawberry flavors, and we cut crates and crates and crates of strawberries and pureed them to make strawberry flavors, and we sold 600 pints between us and Tom's and Daily Projects, and all the proceeds from those pints is going to Home in the Sparrow.